welcome back YouTube to Peterson Auto. Working on the dolly build again. Little things, just little things. Little tiny things that just make my day bad, like this. This is my firewall bulkhead connector. I could not find the other end of it, so I had to order two. So I ordered two in, no big deal. They weren't too expensive, they were like 30 bucks. Highly recommend them from Painless. One end bolts in, the other end just, well, bolts to that end. Comes with all the terminals and everything else, full weather packs, sealed, all that good stuff, retainer pieces. Either way, since I couldn't find parts of it, I had to order those. Ordered two of them in, was only planning on ordering one, had to order two. And one of them took over a month to get here, which really just kind of killed the roll and everything else. So those are going to go over underneath the dash there, and we're going to get those all wired up and in. Then our wiring from our dash is going to be connected out to everywhere else. Come back here, we have the exhaust finished. There's a new hanger right there I just made up, so that's going to be our muffler hanger. It's going to support the muffler. If you listen, nothing hits. So that's good. Runs back here to this contraption that I fabricated years ago when I did not even have a welder, but it's worked for years, so why not keep something old on here, you know, kind of like the whole wedding, something old, something new. And then back down in there, you can see the other hanger I made up. There's a video on how I made that one. So we have everything isolated with actual rubber hangers. And the only exhaust concern I have is where the downpipe comes down. I had to split that into two pieces. I have a band clamp there right now, and I'm going to try to tighten it up some more, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to replace it with a V-band. Other than that, last update we did fill the power steering, and that's not leaking. Still good. The coolant system is leaking right by the coolant filter, so I think I need a new filter for that. I think it might have got knocked around a little bit while putting the engine in, because it does come pretty close to the cross member. So we're going to order a new coolant filter. It's way down in there, easier to see from the bottom. But we're going to order a new one of those and get that taken care of. I'm going to have some wiring for the blower motor stuff here. That's going to have to go down. So I'm going to rewire that back to a factory working setup. So a little bit of wiring, have the coolant, not the coolant overflow, wow. The washer fluid reservoir to mount still. A bunch of brake line work to do, but I'm going to probably do that after I do the front axle, just so I have clearances. And things are coming together. They're coming together pretty good, pretty quickly. I may throw some V-belts on it, or I may just wait, because the ones I have are decent shape, and V-belts just never really go bad. So we'll see. Either way, we're getting there, we're making progress, and that's what matters the most. So, I know it's not much of an update, but it is an update. You know, doing the best I can. It's just lots of little challenges, like those exhaust brackets. Took a lot of time to fab up. But we're going to get her there. She's coming along. And hopefully by winter we'll have somewhat together and be tying up mostly little things or starting on the front suspension. Be awesome if I could start on front suspension by then. I'm not 100% sure on it, so don't quote me on it, but I'd love to get that started over and done over winter. Because then come spring I can dig out the sidewalk piece in front of the garage so I can get this thing out of the garage. Yeah, it's that bad. It won't fit out without digging that out or putting like low profile rollers on it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.